everybody is doing great. I just did an exfoliating treatment using one of those aloe vera masks that I showed you in a haul the other day. Anyway, I decided to film it and share the experience with you guys. So if you're interested in how it was and my afterthoughts about how it's feeling actually pretty good. But anyway, if you're interested, keep on watching. Sorry, I haven't had coffee yet. Hey, sassy people. Today we're really up close and personal. I have you with me in my bathroom. The other day when I was in TJ Maxx, I think that I told you guys I bought these aloe vera masks. And I thought, what better way to test them out than with you guys? So normally I just use a cleanser and moisturizer and then put on my makeup with my prep and prime and all that kind of stuff. So I really don't do a lot of exfoliating, and I really should take better care of my skin. So I thought we would just put on a mask together, see what they're like. Now I've already kind of cut it open, and the first thing off the bat that I'm noticing is these are very, very thin. But I mean, I think that they were like $1 a piece because you got like, I think it was like 8 in a pack. So they are really thin, a lot thinner than masks that I've used previously. Okay, I've got it unwrapped now, and let's just put this baby on. Until you can smell the aloe vera, it smells really good. Okay, let's see. Feels really good, clean, very cool. This is crazy, right? Okay, so I tell you, they don't give you much eye space. I tell you that. All right, so it's on and in place. And we're going to come back in 20 minutes and see if I'm glamorous. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, guys, we're back. It's been 20 minutes. Let's take a little look here. Well, one thing I feel, it's very, very hydrating. Feels really nice. I think some other ingredients other than the aloe, I think it had like seaweed or something, and it feels really good. So I would say, other than just it being very thin, it really feels good. My skin feels dewy, fresh. Okay. So I'm going to go put on a little bit of makeup, and then we'll just chat about it a little bit, huh? I like it. It feels real nice and real clean. Okay. I like them. Let me go and get dressed, and then we'll do a little recap and talk about it. All right. Bye. Okay, guys, I am back. And you know what? I'm really liking that mask. And I don't even know why. I don't really use masks that often. I cleanse with cleanser every day, and I put on my SPF, I put on moisturizer and all that, but I really do have to do more masks. So I will link that one down in the description bar if anybody else is interested in giving it a try. You probably have noticed I have put on a little makeup, but there's one thing missing, right? Eyebrows. It has been requested for me to do an eyebrow tutorial, so hey, I'm game. If somebody wants to see it, I'll do it. But disclaimer, I am in no way, shape, or form a beauty person, a makeup artist, a beauty guru, expert, none of that. I'm just going to show you the products that I use personally and the way that I do my eyebrows. So I'm hoping that you guys will be able to see this because I'm going to have to look down at my mirror. But anyway, let's start with products first. I always use a spoolie. This one is just a Morphe, and my nieces got me this for Christmas. Thanks Tamara and Tanya. And I'm not even sure if it was just Tamara that gave it to me. I don't know, but I'll shout both of them out just to cover myself. Tanya and Tamara in West Virginia. So using a spoolie, then you're going to need just an eye pencil. I use this one, CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow. It's the Fill Define Pencil Crayon, and this one is in Rich Brown. That's what I use, even though I did just get this one from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I do want to try that. I still might use it this morning. And then I use Urban Decay Brow Finish. That's just what I put on at the very end to kind of keep them up and in place. And then for the brow bone, just to give a little bit of highlight, this is color designed by Lancome, and it's in the color Positive. And that's it. That's it. So let's just go ahead and get started. Oh, first of all, let me explain to you all. I kind of groom my own brows now because after years of going to salons and having them waxed or even tweezed, I mean, I have basically like very, very thin, sparse snow brows. They didn't grow back. And so I do my own grooming now. I use just a little shaver. These are the Chic Silk Touch-Up razors. Hope you can see that. I ordered them off of Amazon. They are for expertly shapes your eyebrows and gently exfoliates. Yes, I use it on my skin as well. And no, ladies, you're not going to get mustaches and beards and everything. We don't have that testosterone build up in our bodies to get full beards from shaving. I kind of get some hairs here and a little hairs here, but I use it all over, and it really gives your skin a smooth canvas for your makeup. Okay, eyebrows. So I just take my pencil. Hope you can see. Let me go back a little bit because there is a formula. I used to watch the beauty experts, and you're supposed to take the pencil here. That's where your eyebrow should start, at the beginning of where your nostrils are. But my nose, I guess because it's wide or whatever, there is no way in the world I would start my eyebrows there. So I just look at it here. So there is where it should start. Then you're to take it on the outside of your nose, like in the center where your iris is. That's where your arch should fall. Then you're going to take from the outside of your nose to the outside of your eye, and that's where your brow should end. And I have just been doing mine the way that I want to for so long. I just do it. I don't do any measuring, nothing like that. So I just start in here. This is really weird. And I bring it up where the arch is, and then just bring the tail down. And after a while, you just kind of get used to doing it that way, your own way, and you just do it. Then I come to the top of it, and I just kind of give it shape to the arch, out to the tail, and then just fill it in. And you don't really want to put a lot at the beginning because you want your brow to look natural at the front part of it. Then I just take the spoolie and I brush it up where I can see places that might be missing a little bit of color, and then I just kind of put a little extra in there, fill it in. And that's just basically it. Now, I hope that I can position myself where you can see this side. Now, you always have one eyebrow that is just easier to do. This is my easy brow. I don't know why. I guess because I'm right-handed and then I can just do it left better. I don't know. But one thing to always remember, your eyebrows are not twins. They're never going to look exactly alike. They're cousins, or somebody said sisters or something, but they don't look exact. They're not identical. So I know people try to get them to look exactly the same perfectly, and they just don't. So start this one. Bring it up in the arch and just down. Sorry, but I need to turn this way. You know what? It's so funny. You get used to doing things a certain way and you don't realize it. I hope you guys can see. And then I do kind of go back to see if they're somewhat even. Get the spoolie. The spoolie also helps to kind of blend that harsh pencil line out. Sorry. I'm trying to make sure you all can see and that I can see too. And that's just basically it. Then I take the Lancome, and this is just an eyeshadow, and I just put a little right here at the brow bone. Kind of gives it a little bit of a highlight. And then I take this Urban Decay brow finish, and it's just like a clear gel. Now, of course, after you use it for a while with this pencil, it's not crystal clear anymore. You can kind of see the brown in it a little. But this stuff holds your eyebrows exactly where you leave them. Like right now, if I just leave it right there, it's going to be there all day long. But it's not sticky. It's not sticky. It's not gooey. It just holds them perfectly in place. I like mine to be up a little bit. And that's it. It's just that simple. So I hope that that was helpful in some way. I've enjoyed this little morning session with you guys. So the aloe vera mask I will have linked down below for anybody that might be interested in using it as well. And I will have the products that I use for the fleeky brows. That sounds so funny even saying that. But yeah, I've enjoyed it. It's been fun, and you guys know what to do. Yes, indeed. Make sure that you keep it sassy. Bye, guys. Have a wonderful day. See you next time.